Welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we explore classic cars, rare vans, and timeless automotive legends from America's golden era. If you love vintage vehicles and unique rides, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Today, we're taking a look at one of the coolest custom vans of the late 1970s, the 1979 Chevrolet G10 van. This van represents an era when personal vans became a major trend in America. During the 1970s, custom vans were more than just transportation, they were a lifestyle statement. From wild paint jobs to plush interiors, these vans ruled highways, campgrounds, and car shows. And the 1979 Chevy G10 Custom van was one of the most iconic examples of that movement. Let's begin with the exterior design. The first thing you notice about the 1979 Chevy G10 Custom van is its unmistakable boxy shape. It had a strong and practical design, but custom builders transformed it into something much more exciting. Many owners added bold stripes, murals, chrome trim, side pipes, custom wheels, and raised roofs. The front featured Chevrolet's classic rectangular grille design with dual round headlights that gave it a tough and recognizable face. The large chrome bumper added durability while also enhancing its vintage appeal. The long body design provided plenty of customization opportunities. Some owners installed porthole-style windows, while others added tinted side glass for a more luxurious appearance. Custom paint jobs often featured flames, desert sunsets, eagles, or airbrushed fantasy artwork that became extremely popular during the late 1970s. Another major feature was the conversion roof. Many G10 custom vans had high top roofs or bubble windows that gave them a camper-like appearance. These additions improved headroom and made the van feel more spacious. The rear section often included custom ladders, spare tire mounts, and stylish rear window designs. Some even had trailer hitches for towing small campers or boats. When parked at a car show today, a well-preserved 1979 Chevy G10 Custom van instantly grabs attention because very few vehicles capture 1970s American culture like this van. Now let's move inside. The interior of the 1979 Chevy G10 Custom van was where things became truly impressive. Unlike regular cargo vans, custom G10 vans were designed for comfort and entertainment. Many featured captain's chairs covered in plush velour, leather, or custom fabric materials. Wood paneling was extremely common during this era. The walls often had decorative trim, giving the cabin a warm lounge-like atmosphere. One of the coolest features was the rear seating area. Many vans had sofa-style benches that could convert into beds, making them perfect for road trips and camping adventures. Custom lighting systems were also popular. Owners installed mood lighting, ceiling lights, and even disco-style effects in some extreme builds. Entertainment systems often included CB radios, upgraded speakers, cassette players, and televisions in rare luxury conversions. Storage compartments were built into side panels, allowing owners to carry travel gear. The dashboard remained simple but functional. It included analog gauges, basic climate controls, and Chevrolet's traditional steering wheel design. Large windows made the interior feel open and airy, while the elevated seating position gave drivers excellent road visibility. For families, travelers, and adventure lovers, the G10 offered a combination of practicality and comfort that was ahead of its time. Now let's talk about performance. The 1979 Chevy G10 Custom van came with several engine options depending on configuration. The standard engine was typically a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine that offered decent reliability for daily driving. Buyers could also choose a more powerful 305 cubic inch V8 engine for better performance. Some heavier custom conversions were equipped with Chevrolet's larger 350 cubic inch V8, which delivered stronger acceleration and improved highway cruising ability. Power was sent through automatic or manual transmissions depending on the model. This van wasn't designed to be a sports vehicle, but it delivered strong durability and dependable performance. Its body-on-frame construction made it tough enough for long-distance travel. The suspension was tuned for utility, so the ride could feel somewhat rough compared to modern vans, but that was normal for vehicles of that era. Fuel economy was not impressive, especially with V8 engines, but buyers didn't purchase these vans to save fuel. They bought them for style, comfort, and freedom. The rear-wheel drive setup provided solid handling for highways and open roads. Many owners modified their engines for extra power, adding aftermarket exhaust systems and performance upgrades. Even today, enthusiasts appreciate these vans because replacement parts remain relatively available thanks to Chevrolet's large production numbers. Now let's talk about why this van remains special. The 1979 Chevy G10 Custom van perfectly represents America's custom van culture of the 1970s. It combined practicality, creativity, and personal expression in a way that few vehicles ever have. Whether used for family road trips, camping adventures, business transportation, or simply showing off at weekend car meets, this van became a symbol of freedom. Today, surviving examples are becoming collectible classics, especially well-preserved custom builds with original interiors and unique artwork. Collectors love them because each van tells its own story. Some were built for adventure. Some were built for luxury. And some were built purely to stand out. That's what makes the 1979 Chevrolet G10 van so memorable. Thanks for watching Car OG 765. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this legendary custom van today?